welcome friends once again to my channel. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with videos like this to improve your knowledge and it can favor you in future. So today we are going to a small farm where you can find almost 17 to 18 goats. So all of them are not Beetal Punjabi goats. Some of them are mixed goats. So anyway, let us look at it and find out which one are the pure ones and which one are not pure. So let us take a look. So these are a group of goats, a batch of goats. So some of them are almost 90% Beetal Punjabi goats. I'll show you one special one. So look at this. This one is a perfect Punjabi goat, Beetal goat. It has got white eyes and it has got a round structured nose and it's full black. Look at the ears, they're so long, big ears, and the horns are just turned towards the back, and the body is just arched in the center. So this is a perfect Beetal goat. So this is another one. It is also a Beetal goat but a mix. It's not pure goat. So just even though it has got long tails, people may be giving you this type of goats saying that it is Beetal. It's not Beetal, it is just a mix of Beetal goats. There are some kids also here, but they are also not so perfect. This goat you are seeing is also not a perfect one. So these are the goats. These gray colored ones are also mixed Beetal, not so perfect looking. So they need water. They are simply searching for water. So they are simply resting, and I can say that only this one is the perfect match for Beetal Punjabi goat. It has got big udders, big teeth. So this is about a group of goat here in Khanna, Punjab. People come here and carry Beetal goats and some other breeds of goats like Sirohi and Barbary and so on from here by truck. I assist them, I help them. So if you also need any kind of help. So this goat has also white eyes, but it has also white eyes. Look at it. But this is not original Beetal because the nose structure of the nose is not so perfect, and that ears are not so big. It's a small ear. So it is Also not completely perfect Punjabi beetle. So these are the updates. Look at the ear of this particular goat. It is also mixed with Barbary, so the color has not come up. It's not black enough. There is not even a single spot. And beetle they have got long tails standing straight sometimes, and because they are resting, it has just put it down. So these are the updates. So he is the goat owner. All those goats you have seen belong to her. So let us ask her some questions about the rate and the profit of goat farming and so on. तो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਬੱਕਰੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦੀ ਵਿਕੂਗੀ?
ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕ ਜੂਗੀ ਜੀ 25,000।
So that big goat that I have shown you, the perfect match for a beetle goat, she says that it might be, she can sell it at least for 25,000 rupees. और ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਬੱਕਰੀਆਂ ਇਹ? So she says that she has got 17 pieces. So all are not beetle but 17 goats. तो ਜੇਕਰ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਵੇਚਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਪੈਸੇ ਦਾ ਵਿਕੂਗਾ ਇਹ? So she has got a property of 1.5 lakhs rupees. So if she sells all these goats, she might get almost 1.5 lakh rupees. So these are the updates. ये बीमार तो नहीं होंगे जी? अच्छा जी. So sometimes they fell sick, so they get assistance from doctors. ਖਰਚਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਖਣ ਦਾ?
ਖਰਚਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਜੀ 2 ਜਾਣੇ 4 ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਨ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਡੇ 2 ਜਾਣੇ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਲਾ ਲਓ.
So there is no other expenditure other than rearing them, just taking them out. There are 2 people, so the labor, daily wages, so that is the labor. So I think they are in a good position to earn money. So these are the updates.